Hello 8th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson exponents and radicals, isn't it? Now continuing with the worksheet 2, fourth sum, evaluate. Evaluate means find the value. So it is a 6 squared plus 8 squared the whole power 1 by 2. Now 6 squared, here in between there is a plus sign. Okay, so we have to solve, take the squares, find the squares, then add and then proceed. So 6 squared is equal to how much? It is 36 plus 8 squared is 24 the whole power 1 by 2. So it is a 36 plus 64. What is the answer? 6 plus 4, 10. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. The whole power 1 by 2. Now 100 is whose square? It is 10 square. 1 by 2. So this 2 gets cancelled. The answer is 10. 10 to the power 1, that is 10. Understood? Now coming to the fifth sum, it is 5 bracket open 8 1 power 1 by 3 plus 27 power 1 by 3 the whole cube and the whole 1 by 4. So here again it is in between, it is a plus sign. So bracket open 5 bracket 8 किसका क्यूब? Because in the power the denominator is having 3. So 8 means it is a 2 cube power 1 by 3 plus 27 is 3 cube power 1 by 3. Now you have to put the bracket. See, here you put the square bracket and then this 3. Okay, and this one put it a curly bracket. Okay, one extra bracket will come now. Okay, now this 3 gets cancelled, 3 gets cancelled. समझ में आया आपको सबको? 8 को हम 2 क्यूब लिखे, 27 को 3 क्यूब लिखे और 3 कट किए तो क्या बचा? इट इज अ कर्ली ब्रैकेट 5 ब्रैकेट ओपन 2 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power 1 square bracket close. Now power 3 and then power 4. Okay, now it is a 5 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2, 3 to the power 1 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. लेकिन A5 को क्या करने का है? इट इज अ क्यूब, है ना? 5 क्यूब. समझ में आया क्यों? तो 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 cube bracket 1 by 4. Okay. Now, sorry, here it will be multiplication sign, isn't it? A5 into 5. Okay, now when you multiply, this power is how much? 1. So it will be 5 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 3 and 1 by 4. That means what? When the bases are same, the powers you have to add multiplication में. 1 by 4. This 4 gets cancelled. The answer is 5. समझ में आया? So पहले 5 ये इसको क्यूब में लिखो दोनों को, फिर 3 कैंसल, 2 plus 3 आया, 2 plus 3 is 5 एंड उसका पावर है 3. तो 5 into 5 क्यूब, उसको कैसे करेंगे? 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power 3. इसके लिए add the powers. You got 5 to the power 4 and outside it is 1 by 4. That 4 gets cancelled and that is why 5 to the power 1. That is why it is 5. Clear? Now third sum, it is 17 squared minus 8 squared the whole power 1 by 2. So 17 square, here again there is no law can be used. So 17 squared is how much? It is 289 minus 8 squared is 64, then 1 by 2. You have to find out the squares and then you subtract. 9 minus 4, 5, 8 minus 6, 2 and 2 the whole power 1 by 2. अभी 25 किसका स्क्वायर है? 15 स्क्वायर है ना, 15 स्क्वायर अभी 1 by 2. So this 2 gets cancelled. That is answer is 15. Now coming to this fourth sum, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube the whole to the raised to the power minus 5 by 2. Now find the values. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27. Now raised to the power minus 5 by 2. Now add 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 1 plus 2 is 3, raised to the power minus 5 by 2. Now 36, whose square is it? 6 square the power minus 5 by 2. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 6 to the power minus 1 by 5. That means it is 1 by 6 to the power 5. क्यों? समझ में आया है ना, नेगेटिव पावर है तो रेसिप्रोकल. That means 1 by, अभी 6 to the power 5 is 7776. मल्टीप्लाई करके देखो. It is 7776. Hope you understood. So in this evaluate, there is a addition and subtraction, isn't it? In between addition and subtractions are there, so that is why the method is little bit different. So you have to understand. Okay. Now coming to the fifth sum, it is a simplify. 2x to the power 1 by 6 into 2x to the power minus 7 by 6. So what we have to do? Multiply the numbers into x to the power 1 by 6. Bases are same, so you have to add the powers in multiplication, isn't it? Okay, so you got 2 2s are 4, x to the power 1 minus 7 is minus 6 and denominator is 6. That means 4x to the power minus 1. That means 4 by x to the power 1. The final answer is 4 by x. Is it clear? Now coming to the second sum, it's the fourth root of 1 by 4 the whole power 1 minus 12 the whole raised to minus 2 by 3. So first you convert into the exponential form. Remember? So it is a 1 by x the whole power. It is minus 12 starting. Lesson starting whatever you have learned. So it is a denominator is 4. Isn't it? Fourth root of 1 by x to the power minus 12 can be written as like this. And then the square bracket minus 2 by 3. Now 4 1s are 4 3s are. So you got 1 by x the power minus 3 and the square bracket minus 2 by 3. Now this 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So you got 1 by x, the whole power, minus minus becomes plus. So plus 2. So the answer is 1 by x square. Is it clear? Hope you are understanding this. Okay. Now coming to the third sum. It is a to the power 4 by 7 divided by a to the power 10 by 7. The bases are same, but it is a division in between. So it is direct law. You have to use 4 by 7 minus 10 by 7. So that means a to the power minus 6 by 7. Now negative power, so 1 by a to the power 6 by 7. Hope you are understanding all these sums. So we have completed the simplification also, that is question number 5. Now coming to the question number 6, verify that. Verification. So LHS, RHS, isn't it? So first you write the question. LHS 729 the power minus 5 by 3 the whole power minus 1 by 2. Now here the power is minus 5 by 3. So 729 किसका cube है? It is a 9 cube. 729 is 9 cube raised to minus 5 by 3, again raised to minus 1 by 2. Now this 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So you got 9 to the power minus 5 raised to the power minus 1 by 2. That means 9 minus minus becomes plus 9 to the power 5 by 2. Okay, now in the power, the denominator is having 2. So 9 can be written as 3 square the power 5 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, that is 3 to the power 5. So 3 to the power 5, it will be 243. Okay. Now coming to RHS. Now 729 raised to minus 5 by 3 into minus 1 by 2. That means 729 raised to minus minus becomes plus, 5 ones are 5 and denominator 3 twos are 6. Now in the power it is 5 by 6. So the denominator is having 6. So 729 किसका power 6 है? That is 3 to the power 6. So 9 to the power, either 9 to the power 3, so it is 3 to the power 6. Okay, it is आप लोग कैसे करने का, द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करके देखने का है कौन सा नंबर का पावर 6 आता है वैसे. सो 3 to the power 6, फिर 5 by 6. 6 gets cancelled. So 3 to the power 5. Same आया, that is 3, 2, 4, 3. That means LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verify. Clear? Little bit difficult. If you practice, you will understand. Okay. Now coming to solve. Find the x. Isn't it? So now coming to root 6 the whole power x minus 2. So root 6 can be written as how? It is 6 to the power 1 by 2. Isn't it? The power x minus 2 is equal to 1. Now 6, this one becomes x minus 2 by 2 is equal to 1. 1 means what? The power, any base to the power 0. So you can write 6 x minus 2 by 2 is equal to 6 to the power 0. Now we'll write what? When bases are same, we equate their powers. That means x minus 2 by 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 is equal to 0 into 2. That is x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 plus 2. That is why it is 2. X is equal to 2. Clear? That was the question number 1. Now coming to the question number 2. 3 to the power 4x is equal to 1 by 81. That means 3 to the power 4x is equal to 1 by 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4. Isn't it? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 9 3s are 81. Okay, now this can be written as 3 to the power 4x is equal to 3 to the power, you can take it to the numerator. At that time it becomes minus 4. Reverse of the negative powers. So either denominator may 3 to the power 4. When you take it to the numerator, it becomes the minus 4. 3 to the power minus 4. Now we will write when bases are same, we equate their powers. Now 4x is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4 by 4. That is minus 1. So the answer is minus 1. Okay. Now coming to the third question. Root 2 the raised to power x is equal to 2 to the power 8. Now 2 to the power square root of 2 can be written as 2 to the power 1 by 2 x is equal to 2 to the power 8. This becomes 2 to the power x by 2 is equal to 2 to the power 8. Now again you will be writing when bases are same, we equate their powers. That means x by 2 is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8 into 2, that is 16. So here the answer is minus 1. Here the answer is 16. Okay. Now coming to the fourth sum, last sum. It is 2 to the power 2x plus 1 is equal to 4 to the power 2x minus 1. So we have to make the bases same. 2 to the power 2x plus 1 is equal to 4 can be written as 2 squared, fill bracket, put the power. That is 2 to the power 2x plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 2x becomes how much? 4x minus 2 2s are 4. Clear? Now write when bases are same, we equate their powers. That means 2x plus 1 is equal to 4x minus 4. Okay. Oh, sorry. This was 1. Sorry. So 2, it becomes 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Okay, 4x minus 2. Now this becomes 2x, bring it this side, minus 4x is equal to minus 2 minus 1. So this became minus 2x, isn't it? Okay, I'll write it here. Minus 2x is equal to minus 3. Now x is equal to minus 3 upon minus 2. Minus minus becomes plus. So the answer is 3 by 2. Is it clear? So answer is x is equal to 3 by 2. So solve the equation. So take care and convert into the bases should be same on LHS and RHS, then equate the powers. So we have completed worksheet 2. Hope everyone understood. Okay then, bye. Thank you.